Okay folks, I want to turn your attention to this piece at the back here with the lights and the towing section. J21, J22 is not actually on J sprue. It is actually on the D sprue. So if you have this kit in your stash or you are planning on building this, just be aware some parts are incorrect with their numbers. I have found that with Dragon. Okay folks, all of the wheels are attached now. We have glued the dry sprocket in. Like I mentioned, I am going to use the rubber track, so I don't really need these to spin. These are all level now. Our next step is to attach the side fenders, which we have built up, and we have done some of the light guards. These are the side fenders. We have this way round. They're going to sit somewhat like that on the vehicle. The back bit is a bit finicky, but glue the front in first and then you can glue the back in afterwards. Makes it quite a wide tank now with these fenders on. And as for the light guards, they're really fiddly. I've done these off camera. So these are the light guards and the lights. We still have the lenses to put in. I've just finished minute ago about doing these, and they're really fragile. So we're going to let these set, and then this is the bracket for it.